Have you ever thought about starting your own business but weren't sure where to begin? Have you considered using a marketplace platform to sell your products or services? In this video, we'll be discussing the benefits of using a marketplace platform and how you can get started making money with just a few simple steps. Are you ready to learn how to turn your passion into a profitable business? Let's dive in and see how easy it is to get started on a marketplace platform. But first, let me share a personal anecdote with you. When I was first starting out as an entrepreneur, I was hesitant to sell my products online because I wasn't sure how to reach my target audience. I spent a lot of time and money on traditional marketing strategies that didn't seem to be working. That's when a friend of mine suggested I try using a marketplace platform. At first, I was a bit skeptical. I wasn't sure if it would be worth my time or if it would actually bring in any sales. But I decided to give it a try, and I'm so glad I did. Not only was it easy to set up my online store, but I was also able to reach a much larger audience than I ever could have with traditional marketing methods. So, if you're ready to take the next step in your entrepreneurial journey and learn how to make money by selling on a marketplace platform, keep watching. You'll be surprised at how simple it can be. As I began my journey of selling on a marketplace platform, I quickly realized that there were a few key things that I needed to focus on in order to be successful. The first thing was to find a niche that was in demand but not oversaturated. This meant doing some research and getting a sense of what was currently popular and what products were lacking in the market. I remember one time I stumbled upon a product that I thought would be perfect for a certain audience, but when I started looking into it more, I realized that there were already hundreds of other sellers offering the same product. So, I had to go back to the drawing board and find something else that would stand out. Another key lesson I learned was the importance of having high-quality product photos and a well-written product description. These are going to grab the attention of potential buyers and set you apart from the competition. I made the mistake of using low-quality photos and rushed product descriptions in the beginning, and it really showed in my sales. But once I put in the effort to make these elements stand out, I saw a significant increase in my sales. Finally, I learned that it's essential to provide excellent customer service and handle any issues that may arise quickly and efficiently. This means answering questions and concerns in a timely manner and being willing to go the extra mile to ensure that your customers are satisfied. This can be the difference between a one-time customer and a loyal customer who keeps coming back for more. One thing I've found really helpful is to specialize in a particular niche or product category. This way, you can become an expert in that area and be able to offer valuable advice and recommendations to customers. I've had a lot of success, for example, selling vintage and collectible items. Another tip is to take high-quality photos of your products and write detailed, accurate descriptions. This will help attract more buyers and increase the chances of making a sale. I also recommend being proactive in reaching out to potential customers. This can be done by posting in relevant online groups, offering discounts or deals, or talking to potential buyers on social media. Finally, Don't be afraid to experiment and try new things. I've had some of my biggest successes by taking a chance on a new product or approach. The key is to stay focused, work hard, and keep learning and improving. So those are a few of my personal tips for making money on marketplace platforms. I hope they help you on your own journey to financial success. In conclusion, starting a business by selling on a marketplace platform is a great opportunity for anyone looking to make some extra money or even turn it into a full-time career. The key is to find a niche, do your research, and be consistent in your efforts. As I learned through my own experiences, it's important to be patient and not get discouraged by setbacks. Keep learning and adjusting your strategy, and eventually you will see success. Remember, the most important thing is to start. Don't let fear or lack of knowledge hold you back. There are endless resources and guides available to help you get started, including our other videos on this channel. So don't wait any longer, take the first step towards financial freedom and start your journey to making money by selling on a marketplace platform. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful content. And as always, we welcome your comments and questions.